when Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Sri Lanka, he had announced the Festival of India in Sri Lanka. And today's event is the beginning of a series of events under the Festival of India in Sri Lanka.
இங்கு வருகை தந்து சிறப்பித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும் அனைவரையும் கண்டி உதவி இந்திய தூதரகத்தின் சார்பில் வரவேற்பதில் பெருமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றோம். இன்றைய இந்த ரம்யமான மாலை பொழுதிலே அரங்கிலே உவகையுடன் நாட்டிய விருந்தளிக்கப்படுகின்றனர் சங்கீத் நாடக் அகாடமியின் நிருத்ய ரூபா குழுவினர். பாரத பிரதமர் அதிமேதகு நரேந்திர மோடி அவர்களின் இலங்கை விஜயத்தின் போது இந்திய திருவிழா இலங்கையில் என்ற கருப்பொருளில் இலங்கை முழுவதும் இவ்வாறான கலை நிகழ்வுகள் நடைபெற வேண்டும் என தனது விருப்பத்தை வெளியிட்டார். அதற்கிணங்க இந்த நிருத்ய ரூபா நாட்டிய நிகழ்வு தொடரின் முதலாவதாக அமைய உள்ளது குறிப்பிடத்தக்கது.
අද මෙම නාට්‍ය ප්‍රසංගයට ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිත අමුත්තා ලෙස පැමිණි ගරු මහා මාධ්‍ය සරත් ඒකනායක මැතිතුන් ඇතුළු සියලුම ආරාධිත අමුත්තන් සහ සියලුම පිරිස් ඉතා ආදරයෙන් ගෞරවයෙන් ඉන්දියානු සහකාර කොමසාරිස් කාර්යාලය වෙනුවෙන් පිළිගනු ලබනවා. නිත්‍ය රූපා මෙම නාට්‍ය ප්‍රසංගයේ ආරම්භ වන්නේ ඉන්දියා ශ්‍රී ලංකා සංස්කෘතික සම්බන්ධතාව වර්ධනය කිරීමයි. නිත්‍ය රූපා මෙම ප්‍රසංගයේ ඉදිරිපත් කරනු ලබන්නේ ඉන්දියාවේ සිට පැමිණි නාට්‍ය ශිල්පීන් විසින්.
I would like to invite following dignitaries for lighting of the traditional lamp. Honorable Mr. Sarat Nayake, Chief Minister of Central Province. Honorable Governor of Goa Province, Mr. M. P. Jayasinghe. Honorable Governor of Northwestern Province, Mr. Amarapalli Sarat Nayake. And Ms. Radha Venkatraman, the Assistant High Commissioner of India to Canada.
Is an initiative of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, who during his visit to Sri Lanka in March 2015 announced of its launch in Sri Lanka. The theme of the festival is Sangam, a confluence of cultures of India and Sri Lanka. If you see the logo of the festival, you will find a pictorial depiction of Sangam in 3 languages, Sinhala, Hindi and Tamil, which is a manifestation of the symbiotic ties that bind India and Sri Lanka. During the Festival of India, various events will be held throughout 2015-16. The inaugural event, Nritya Roopa, was held in Colombo on 19th November. Assistant High Commissioner of India Canada is organizing this event of the Festival of India here today. Nritya Roopa are concluding the performance at the festival at Galle on 23rd November. Nritya Roopa has been crafted under the artistic direction of Sangeet Natak Academy, India's National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama, for the Festival of India in Sri Lanka. 6 dance forms representing the diversity of India's culture have been chosen. Bharatanatyam from southern India, Kathak preeminently the dance form of the north, Odissi from Odisha in eastern India, Manipuri from the northeastern state of Manipur, Kathakali from Kerala at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula, and Chau, which covers a wide swath of territory in the eastern states of India. The Festival of India is a celebration of shared civilization and heritage of India and Sri Lanka, and will further strengthen the close links between our peoples and cultures. Thank you once again for joining us in such large numbers, the first event in Kandy of the Festival of India. I hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you.
I'd like to request Honorable Mr. Sarat Nayake, Chief Minister of Central Province, to address the gathering.
Namaskar. Good evening, everybody. Her Excellency, the Governor of Northwestern Province, Honorable Amarapalli Sarat Nayake, His Excellency, the Governor of Goa Province, Honorable M. P. Jayasinghe, Assistant High Commissioner of India, Ms. Venkataraman, District Secretary, Candy, Mr. Hisekar, Mr. Krismurthy, and all our known friends, and all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Very good and pleasant evening for all of you. Madam Radha Venkataraman, Your Excellency has always given us the opportunity to witness most of the cultural events coming from India. This is one of them. First and foremost, let me avail myself of this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to Your Honor for inviting me today as the chief guest for this occasion to grace this event of the Festival of India organized by the Office of the Assistant High Commissioner of India at Kandy, Sri Lanka. I am also happy indeed to be here today, especially being as the Chief Minister and also the Minister of Cultural Affairs of Central Province and a resident living in Kandy to participate for this event. Considering confluence of cultures of India and Sri Lanka, I think it is a privilege to participate for such event to share our mutual understanding with civilized cultural heritage of our two countries. At this stage, as mentioned in the letter, I would be happy to honor for the follow-up action on the announcement made by Prime Minister of India when he visited Sri Lanka in March, Honorable Sri Narendra Modi, during his visit to Sri Lanka. Being given to understand that through the various cultural and dance presentations from different states of India, the festival's aim is to explain Indian traditions and to share its values of love and harmony, and also the festival promises to serve, entertain and engage the whole family with delicious ethnic, vegetarian food and presentations of culture of India. So if I am correct, I hope this event of festival also reminds us as Sri Lankans to share with our heritage of cultural events among us to promote love and harmony within our society as well. Having organized this manner of events, of festivals, help to show the unity in varieties by bringing different cultures of any country on one platform. As the Chief Minister of Central Province, on behalf of the community, while thanking for all you all present here, and may I wish all the success at your event of festival on this pleasant evening. May the blessings of sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha enshrined at Dalda Maligawa contribute for your prosperity. Thank you very much.
It's a mosaic of Indian dances crafted under the artistic direction of Sangeet Natak Academy, India's premier national academy of music, dance and drama. As said by AHC, 6 dance forms representing the diversity of India's culture have been chosen from each direction. Bharatanatyam from South India, Kathak preeminently the dance of Northern India, Odissi from Odisha state of India, Manipuri from northeastern India, Kathakali of Kerala, the southern tip of Indian peninsula, and Chow from the wide areas of territory in eastern India. Nritya Rupa starts with Shiva Stuti, a hymnal offering to Lord Shiva, whose dance of bliss symbolizes the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction. The Stuti draws in dancers in pairs representing the 6 dance forms, which are then demonstrated individually. Finally, at the climax, all the dancers perform together to a uniform rhythm and the soaring melody of a tarana. Here, all the streams merge in a surging demonstration of pure dance and melody. Nritya Rupa exhibits before the audience the unique yet complementary character of each dance. First, individual identity of each dance form is established, and finally, the celebratory tarana, the entire mosaic comes together, each part united with the other. representing the characteristics of the Indian nation, which always rejoices in Odisha, despite the cultural and social differences amongst its constituent parts.
ඉන්දියාවේ විවිධ නාට්‍ය සම්ප්‍රදායන් එකට කැටිකොට මෙම නාට්‍ය සකසා තිබෙනවා. එම නාට්‍ය සම්ප්‍රදායන් නම් දකුණු ඉන්දියාවේ භරත නාට්‍යම්, උතුරු ඉන්දියාවේ ප්‍රසිද්ධ කතක්, නැගෙනහිර ඉන්දියාවේ ඔඩිසාහි ප්‍රසිද්ධ ඔඩිසි, උතුරු නැගෙනහිර ප්‍රදේශයන්හි ප්‍රසිද්ධ මණිපුරි, කේරළ ප්‍රාන්තයේ ප්‍රසිද්ධ කතකලි සහ චාව් නැමැති නාට්‍ය සම්ප්‍රදායන් සියල්ල එකතු කොටගෙන මෙම නෘත්‍ය නූපා නාට්‍ය සකසා තිබෙනවා. සිව දෙවියන්ට තුති කරමින් මෙම නර්තනාංගය ආරම්භ කරනවා. ඉන්දියාවේ ජාතික සංගීත නාට්‍ය සහ නාට්‍ය ඇකඩමියේ මඟ පෙන්වීමෙන් සංගීත නාට්‍ය ඇකඩමිය විසින් මෙම නෘත්‍ය නූපා ප්‍රසංගය ඉදිරිපත් කරන ලබනවා. ඉතින් මෙම සුවිශේෂ නාට්‍ය අංගයන්ගෙන් සපිරි මෙම නාට්‍ය නරඹන ලෙස ඔබ සැමට ஆதரவையும் கௌரவையும் இல்லா சிட்டினா ஸ்துதி.
ஒரு வழிபாடாக கருதுவது இந்திய கலாச்சாரத்தின் நிலைப்பாடாகும். அந்த வகையிலே இன்றைய நிகழ்வு அமையவிருக்கின்றது. நிருத்ய ரூபா இந்திய சாஸ்திரிய நடனங்களின் ஒரு சங்கமம். பரதநாட்டியம் தென்னிந்தியாவிற்கு குறிப்பாக தமிழ்நாட்டிற்கே உரிய நாட்டியமாகும். கதக் வட இந்தியாவில் உருவான நடனம். ஒடிசி கிழக்கு இந்தியாவின் ஒடிசா மாநிலத்தின் நடனம். மணிப்பூரி மணிப்பூர் மக்களின் வாழ்க்கையோடு ஆன்மீக அடிப்படையில் சங்கமமானதொரு அழகிய கலை. கதகளி இது கேரள மாநிலத்தின் பாரம்பரிய நடன வடிவமாகும். சவ் கிழக்கு இந்திய மாநிலங்களின் நடனம். 6 இந்திய நடனங்கள் இங்கு சங்கமமாக இருக்கின்றன. ஆடலுக்கு தலைவன் தில்லை அம்பலவாணன் அவன் பாதம் தந்த அற்புத நடனங்களை பாரத தேசத்தின் பல்வேறு சாஸ்திரிய நடனங்களாக மிளிர்கின்றன என்றால் அது மிகையாகாது. அந்த வகையிலே பரம்பொருள் சிவனை ஆராதிக்கும் விதமாக நடன நிகழ்வின் முதல் அங்கமாக ஸ்ரீ சிவஸ்துதி இடம்பெற உள்ளது. பிரபஞ்சத்தின் நன்மைக்காக சிருஷ்டி, ஸ்திதி, சம்ஹாரம், திரோபாவம், அனுகிரகம் எனும் 5 தொழில்களை பரம்பொருள் ஈசன் நிகழ்த்துவதை இந்நடனம் சித்தரிக்கின்றது. நிருத்ய ரூபா இந்திய சாஸ்திரிய நடனங்களின் ஒரு சங்கமம். இதோ
Titanium sequence. We are going to witness one seamless presentation of all 6 dance forms leading to a jubilant finish. But before that, I would like to announce the names of the dancers. Kathak is by Monisa Nayak and Gauri Diwakar. Odissi by Ayona Bhaduri and Boy Asha Kumari. Manipuri by Menika Devi Nyasam and Hesnam Jeena Devi. And Bharatanatyam by Rajamani and Arun Shankar Ramesh Babu. Kathakali by Amanjit and Anil Kumar. Chow by Kuleshwar Kumar Thakur, Rakesh Raibabu, Nikhil Lal. Makeup artist there helping the Kathakali dancers, Shri Pundi Krishnan Pende. Thank you so much.
Russian